Sushant's family now has demanded for a new probe, a fresh probe into Sushant's autopsy report. The family lawyer has written to the CBI claiming that a faulty forensic examination was conducted by the AIIMS panel in Sushant's case. The family has demanded a new forensic team to conduct a fresh report. In fact, they've also demanded that CBI constitute a new team with top doctors and experts from different hospitals. They also claim that sufficient viscera has not been retained for future examination. In fact, a team of 7 senior doctors from AIIMS who re-evaluated Sushant's post-mortem and viscera report said that the actor's death was a case of suicide and that the murder angle has been completely ruled out. But Sushant's family has raised questions as to how was the autopsy completed in 90 minutes, or why wasn't time given, or the time of death mentioned in the post-mortem report. That's the question that the family asks, but all these questions have been cleared by the AIIMS team already, which stood by its finding of suicide. Sushant died by suicide is what the AIIMS report says. Here, Sushant's family crying foul. Cutting across to Divyesh, joining us from the NCB office. Divyesh, Sushant's family now crying foul, asking for another round of autopsy. They say that the Mumbai police have failed to mention the time of death in the report, and they also somehow are suspicious of the AIIMS report that concludes death by suicide. Where do you think this suspicion and their fresh request will really, how will it move forward? Will this be entertained? How will they take this up?
Namila, 4 to 5 points over here. The family had raised doubts regarding the time of autopsy. They had said that the autopsy was conducted in night. This is not permissible. But the Cooper Hospital team, which initially conducted autopsy, clearly stated that there is a notification, and when there is ample light, autopsy can be done at night. Second point was, why was it conducted in only 90 minutes of time? For that also, Cooper Hospital has stated that it was a detailed autopsy which was done within 90 minutes by a panel of 5 doctors, 5 senior doctors. Usually it takes around 60 minutes, but here they took 90 minutes to conduct this autopsy. Thirdly, the time of death, which was a query raised by Mumbai police, and to which the Cooper Hospital had stated that autopsy was time of death was around 10 to 12 hours before post-mortem was conducted. So it could be between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. Also, there were doubts regarding the viscera. Viscera analysis was done at Kalina Forensic Lab, which ruled out possibility of any chemical or poison in Sushant's body. Ligature marks which were found on his neck were due to the cloth that he had used for hanging. Tensile strength of the cloth was around it could bear up to 200 kgs. So all the doubts raised by Sushant's lawyer or Sushant Singh's family lawyer, Vikas Singh, were cleared by the Cooper Hospital, and the same findings have been found by the AIIMS forensic team. And now, if the family or if the lawyer is demanding a fresh probe or re-autopsy or re-analysis be done, that is again doubtful. If they are depending on some, desired results that they want to see, but the findings by 12 senior forensic analysts, forensic doctors, scientists from KFSL, scientists from CFSL have ruled out the possibility of suicide. They have clearly stated that it is a death by hanging, and remember the cause of death which was given by the Cooper Hospital in Mumbai was asphyxia due to hanging, and that same has been stated by the AIIMS forensic team as well. So now all the possibilities, all the foul play, all the conspiracy theories have been put to rest, but the family still is demanding that a re-autopsy be done. It is up to the CBI,
the family clearly here is not satisfied. They still believe that the death has happened. It could be, possibly could be murder. They still believe foul play in Sushant's alleged, if the AIIMS doctors are already concluding this as suicide, we could safely say that this was suicide. The family alleges foul play over this report now. Divyesh, thank you very much for joining us with those details there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.